This came out amazing. I'm just tossing together the lobster, which I did cut up into some nice chunks. And I have the rest of my shrimp and a few mussels in here. I'm just gonna make a blue cheese salad like I would if I was making a chicken blue cheese salad. And I'm gonna just make it a seafood one. Anyways, the lobster is a warm water lobster. I've never tried Brazil warm water lobster. It is really good. It's different, but it is good. Okay, here we go. Got all that lobster in big chunks. We have the shrimp, some avocado, tomatoes, and I made some blue cheese dressing. I made this myself. I even tossed in some Old Bay seasoning. Let's see here. Just gonna top this off. There's lots of lemon in here. Just a bit of olive oil, and then some blue cheese and some other ingredients. And there you go. I'm gonna get a piece of this lobster right here. I'm gonna grab me a piece of avocado if I can. Let's see here. That right there, great combination. Let me take a bite. Amazing. You're gonna love it. This is what you do with your leftovers. I just want to tell you, next time I make seafood, next time I have some leftovers, whenever that time comes, I'm going to toss this salad together. I'm going to make the dressing that I always make. It's delicious. It always is. You want to get a piece of this lobster right here? Boom.